Before the canopy was installed, the playground was very bare. There was no shade from the rain or the sun for the children or parents, and we decided to enhance the playground with having a canopy. And from the outset, we wanted the canopy to be as large as possible so it could accommodate the maximum number of children. We're also a sun-safe school, and having the canopy installed enabled us to meet many of the criteria for the sun-safe school accreditation. And we chose this because we thought it was the most aesthetically pleasing and one that would also appeal to the children, because at the end of the day, it is their canopy.
You can use the canopy to play and use it for hiding places or keep out of the weather. I was really excited because we could have some shelter for the rain, because normally we had to go into the gazebo and the floor got wet, and this has just like the normal floor.
It gives them an opportunity to sort of experience, well, life outside the four walls of the classroom for a start. It helps to engage them. They see it as an exciting opportunity to do their learning in a new environment, a different environment, which helps to keep them focused.
Throughout the day, it's used as an outdoor teaching resource. Very versatile, that's one of the beauties of it. A teacher can plan an activity outside and they know that they will be able to undertake that activity, whether it be hot sunshine or whether it be pouring with rain, they will be able to undertake it because of the canopy. At lunchtime, it's used for the children to eat under and also to play under, so it's used the whole of the school day.
They were very professional, very friendly. They covered all the carpets up for us, which we requested, with plastic, and they kept me in the loop at all times.
And it was all done within a matter of about 3 months. We got the go-ahead from the PTA just after Christmas, and the canopy was installed less than 3 months later in March, and it was installed to a very high standard.
The price was very good as well, which is another important thing when schools are budgeting.
When I first saw the canopy, I thought it was really good because, like, the next door school doesn't have it, because we're that lucky that we get to have it. When I first saw the canopy, I was shocked.
They were just very professional. I can't praise them enough. I would recommend them, definitely.